Hi, welcome to Tea with Jan. I am Jan, and today we are going to unbox the first advent calendar that I got in. Bird and Blend. But I thought it would be nice to have a little bit of tea, so I got this through their Christmas in July sale, mince pie. And if you've been around for a bit, you might remember that Jeanette and I thought that this had meat in it, but I guess like old recipes used to have meat in it, but it's basically like, what do they call it, like a fruit cake now. So we're gonna try that too. And when I opened up the package, it smelled amazing. No meat. So the ingredients are Sri Lankan black tea, cinnamon, almond pieces, orange peel, pomegranate flowers, natural flavoring. This is what it looks like. Oh, I can really taste the almond. I really like that. That is delicious. Oh, that's Phoebe. All right, I haven't opened it yet. This is the first one out of probably way too many. We'll see, but I'd like to open it with you guys, so if you're thinking about getting one, you know what it looks like. So this, I'm in Canada and Bird and Blend comes from the UK. So this here's what we have. And first up we have this note. A little bit of positivity. I'm not quite sure what it says. I can't read the handwriting. I'm so sorry. I see the smiley face though, and that's cute. On the back it says, why not do some coloring in with your cuppa? birdandblendtea.com, and it has this cute little picture. All right. Whoa. Okay, what do we got going on here? Samples. I love it when they include samples. That's always so fun. I think Bird and Blend always do. So this one here is Kung Flu Fighter. And it's eucalyptus and echinacea cold weather tea. And then we have this one, which is spiced pumpkin pie. How timely. Oh, I got a code, some different codes, and a code from my friends. So I'll see about leaving those down below for you. And then this looks like an advertisement. Love black tea, look no further. And, you know, some different things. Look at how well wrapped it is, because their boxes are a little bit flimsy. So it's nice that they add extra packaging. Because when it goes through all those mail stations, like to get here. Okay, what are you guys seeing? There it is, all safe. So pretty. I love the blue. It's like a periwinkle blue. That is so pretty. And all the little cute little cinnamon. Maker's Market, pet shop. Oh, it is adorable. I'll let you look. It does say the spoiler on the back, and it tells you like this would list everything. And then there's all of that. I also wanted to mention that this actually has like, looks like it folds out and that you could hang it on the wall. And I love that. Such a good idea. So yeah, welcome to Wonder Town. That is cute. I'm trying to remember if this is loose tea. So there it is. Okay, I'm going to give you a sneak peek, so if you absolutely don't want any spoilers. It's not really a spoiler, it's just kind of like what it looks like. But anyways, if you don't want that, skip. All right, so this here is the Advent. You can see how there's like, you could open it up on one end and you can kind of take a peek and see what they look like. So cute. So I'm just trying to understand if they're, yeah, it's a tea bag inside. Okay, that was my main question. So cute. So we'll put those back in, do up this flap, and not ruin the surprise. So there you have it, Bird and Blend's sneak peek of their tea advent for 2020. So excited. And my plan is to do a Vlogmas with all the tea advents. So excited. I can't wait to show you them all as they come in. And I want to know, are you guys getting a tea advent? Are you going to follow me along for Vlogmas? Let me know in the comments down below. I will talk to you down there. Until next time, take care. Bye.